Thought is one of the most powerful tools we will ever have in changing our lives. Hello everyone, this is your friend Shati. Here I come again with my humble YouTube channel, The Universe Inside You. Please be with this mission of mine and support me by subscribing this channel. Also put your valuable comments for my motivation. Today's topic is thoughts, the architect of reality, where thought gives rise to emotions, emotions gives rise to actions, actions gives rise to consequences, consequences gives rise to thoughts again. So it's cyclic in nature. Every thought we generate sends out vibration to the universe. They are not real until they are put into action. Negative thoughts arise spontaneously, but positive thoughts has to be consciously incorporated. Our thoughts actually influences our emotions, actions and the outcome in life. So by changing the pattern of our thoughts, we can change the quality of our lives. Law of attraction. The thought and reality theory is largely governed by the law of attraction. According to this theory, we attract what we want in our lives by focusing our thoughts and energy on them. By visualizing our goals and desires and pretending as if we already have them, we can actually convert them into reality. That sounds fantastic, isn't it? Now, how to clearly understand the thought reality working pattern? Number 1, self-reflection. It is the ability to witness and evaluate our own emotional and behavioral pattern. It involves analyzing the reasons for our behavior and locate the areas we need to improve. It can be done naturally or intentionally. Number 2 is mindfulness. By maintaining a moment by moment awareness of our thoughts and feelings, through gentle monitoring, we can better understand our emotions and handle them gracefully. Number 3 is check evidence. Now, how to check evidence? We have to carefully note the thoughts that go through our belief and the thoughts that contradict our belief, and then we can compare our thoughts and beliefs with that of others also for better results. Number 4, thought reframing. We can reframe our thoughts in a positive manner. Now, instead of saying or believing that I failed in the competition, we can put it as it was a valuable experience being there and shall make it next time for sure. Number 5, reality testing. We should go for an active reality checking by comparing our thoughts minutely to real facts. This method determines whether our thoughts align with reality or just adjusting to our beliefs. Number 6, pattern evaluation. We should consciously notice our thought pattern, especially if it has negative and irrational trends. Counter negative thoughts. Whenever negative thoughts arise, we should counter them immediately by questioning to ourselves whether these thoughts are really true or just our fear and assumptions. This can curtail the flow of negative thoughts in us. Now, how to generate positive thoughts? Number 1, replace the negative thoughts with positive ones. We shall be conscious about our thought process. A person goes through an average of more than 60,000 thoughts every single day, and we are not attentive about most of these thoughts. We are aware and attentive about the nature of every passing thought that can really make the difference, and we can consciously replace the negative thoughts with the positive ones. Rewiring our thoughts. Negative beliefs actually come from repetition. That means our brain heard them so many times and did not consciously counter. So they became our truth. Number three is manifestation. Manifestation is about what we actually want to visualize as if it's already ours. It's about feeling the emotions of the desire and believing in its possibility. This mental practice can actually create a magnetic force that attracts our desired result. Some tips for manifesting our dream reality. Number one, focus on positive thoughts. Number two, clarifying our intentions. Number three, being aware of the power of our thoughts. Number four, visualizing our goals. Number five, shifting from negative thought process to positive ones. Number six, practicing gratitude, as explained in my previous video. Number seven, working hard to achieve our goals. Number eight, being indifferent towards the outcome, that is a let go attitude. Factors that influence our thoughts: our personality, our surroundings and environment, the various hindrances and interruptions, our upbringing, jealousy and competition factors, our values, our narratives, and social norms. Here I conclude my topic. Next Sunday I shall come up with some new and different topic. Till then, take care and God bless.